36 tricks for my 36th birthday.
Am I really 36?
Never done a varial heel flip up this. Never. Alright guys, here's the deal. 36 years ago, today, September 10th, 1983, I was born. I was actually born so premature, my body had some problems. I had very high fevers, my entire body was black and blue. The doctors actually went to my mom and dad, and they told my mom and dad, "We're sorry, your son is not going to make it." Somehow, some way, I pulled through that, and here we are. So I wanted to tell you that story because I'm extremely grateful to actually just be skating at the age of 36 at all, like literally at all. I grew up in this very small town in Montana. I learned how to skate there, and then I've made many video parts which have all brought me out here to the San Francisco Bay Area, where we have this incredible community that you guys are so amazing and you're so supportive, and I'm really just happy, like I said, to be on a skateboard at all. So today, for my birthday, I'm going to do 36 tricks for my 36th birthday. So, yeah, I guess here we go. Let's see if we can do any tricks. This is my first trick. Oh! Ah! If I don't stretch at least a little bit, my whole lower back seizes up and I can't bend down to jump up to pop. That's okay. Let's do an actual trick. My instant inclination is to go straight to the mani pad, but you know, let's mix it up. And my goal for this video is to do some tricks I never have done. At least one, please. Let's start with the step-up gap. I gotta warm up. I'm not gonna count the ollie as a trick. I'll tell you when the tricks are counted. Okay, we can do this. We count that as one. Yeah. I got brand new wheels, brand new bearings, brand new board, brand new trucks, brand new shoes. I've kind of got a lot to complain about. If you know me. So I'm gonna try and do all of SMS1, and I'm gonna try and do it all first try. I thought that out there, and then I was like, great. The second you thought that, you're gonna miss the pop shove. But I got it, I got it. 4! Traditionally, in the past, this is where I would blow it. If I land this heel flip right now, it's going to be an amazing day. So close, yet so far away. Why is life so hard? Second time. 5 tricks. 6 tricks. We got 6. That was all of SMS1 done, and I only had to redo one trick twice. The heel flip, of course. Of course, it's all in here, really. There's not really like a set pattern of what tricks to do next. I guess we'll just free-for-all it. I knew there was gonna be an easy one that would get me. 7. Woo. Backside flip. Let's do the other one. Frontside flip. Backside flip, frontside flip. So this is gonna be trick 10. What happened, Aaron? This is the only trick you can ever land. It's my birthday and I'll cry if I want to. Cry if I want to. Oh, this is gonna feel good. This is the point where the audience says, yeah, Aaron, we know you could do all those tricks. We've seen it 1,000 times. And I say, I know, I need to step it up. Literally step it up on the step up. So I'm gonna try a trick that I've literally never done. This is probably the worst idea I could do in making this video right now. Never done a varial heel flip up this. Never. You've never seen it, I've never seen it, never done it. Let's challenge ourselves and do this. Whoa! That was so scary. Aaron, don't be a wussy. Okay, I knew this was a bad idea. But if I don't land this right now, I'm gonna have a midlife crisis and buy a Camaro. I realize there's a reason I've never done this. I'm terrible at it. It's like today I learned in 36 tricks for your 36th birthday inside a video. Slash Aaron Kyro Origins. I gotta land this. Can I just not land it?
No, you can.
Maybe I can't do it.
You can.
Can't is not in your vocabulary. Oh my gosh. I literally came this close to getting hit by a car. The only thing was, I was moving, the car was parked. There were a couple that was forming really well. Now I'm just completely lost it.
Oh!
Happy birthday, Aaron! 11. Let's go to trick number 12. So Gabe really wanted me to do this video, right? And I said, yeah, Gabe, as long as the 20-foot ledge is down and not on top of the Braille drop. And he said, yeah, it's down. Look at, see that blue box up there? 20-foot ledge. On top of the Braille drop. We're gonna go to some ledge tricks. Ooh, sticky! Back when I was younger, like 16, I could skate for a month straight without sleeping. I wouldn't be winded. 15. Well, I gotta do all my mandatory ledge tricks. The next one in sequence is 5-0 backside 180 out. Fit 16, 17 on that. Good thing I have this. I'd be losing my mind. How I should have done this video? Should have gave myself plenty of time. Probably should have filmed it over several different days, but no. In classic Braille style, we have about 1 hour to do the whole thing. First try, right here. Dude, so good, it was right there. Get that out of my house. Get it out. Get out of here. Blaming everything on the 20-foot box. This is the point where I start to go bananas because easy trick can do it all the time, somehow can't do it. I feel kind of lame counting just a crooked grind. Maybe if we did it in a line, it would count. Wait for it. Wait for it. 5, 10, 15, 20. 16 to go. Nollie no slide. Nollie grind. 22. Wait, one more ledge trick. It's been a long time. Nollie no slide big spin. How about that? My butt really does hurt a lot from that. 23. I just realized I'm 36 years old. Do a couple tricks in the mini. I'm gonna count that 5-0 as one trick. Okay, when I do that, down, shut it, stall, that will be trick 2. right here. First try. Oh! Got her! 2 more? Is that 5 on the mini? I'm getting the paper. 5-0, kickflip rock, tray flip rock, pivot, tail stall, shove it, tail stall. Oh, frontside 180, tail stall, revert. 28? We might be actually doing 36 tricks. I gotta do at least one manual trick on the mini. Woo! Take that. One more? Woo! 1, 2, 5, 10, 15, 20, 20, 30! 6 tricks to go! On the home stretch. Let's go. One trick. 1. Let's see what else we got. 32, 33, 34. 2 tricks left? Wow. Home stretch, United Kingdom. Last inning, New York. Hello, West Coast. Not the best, but we'll take it. I'll try 2 to make it true. Hit that little tic-tac at the end now. That was trick 35. Now, special presentation for trick 36. The one you've been waiting for. Here we go. Strawberry milkshake, let's go! Yeah! It's my birthday! Happy birthday to me! That was fun. Super fun. 35. 36. Am I really 36? It just dawned on me I'm 36. So guys, I know these were not the greatest tricks you ever saw. They're just some tricks I threw together as fast as I could. I don't want to leave you hanging. There's a lot of new subscribers and a lot of people that may have never seen these. So I'm gonna put together a little compilation of some older parts that I had the opportunity to spend not 1 hour to film, but more like several months or even a year. I'm gonna go like by year and just show you like just some little clips because I felt like it was cool. Maybe like for me, it's really special for me to still be skating at 36. I'm really happy to be here. I'm happy to be blessed with the position that I'm in because of you guys to still be able to ride a skateboard and be a kid every single day. And I hope that my videos are helping you guys be inspired, learn how to skateboard. I'm really, really, really trying very hard. If you follow my other social media accounts, you'll see I'm working very hard to give you guys all of the knowledge that I've crammed into here over literally 26 years of skateboarding. It's actually a little more than that. I say I started at the year 10 because the math is easy. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out this compilation.
There's someone out there, I'll pack my bags to Rio. She's a dancer, but I'm a drummer. I'm lost in this world, but I found myself in Rio. On a blanket across
A huge shout out to Tony Hawken, who inspired me to make this video. He is 50 years old and he's still absolutely killing it. Completely incredible. So I have to give him the most insane, incredible props. The guy's amazing, what can you say? So thank you for all the continued inspiration. I can only hope that I'm still riding a skateboard at the age of 50. Check out all those other videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes, you start skateboarding and you will change your life. It will be incredible. I love you. I'll see you in the next video, Braille Army.